Oh my gosh, good one. Oh, maybe, might be a 10-pounder.
Oh,
Oh my gosh. Oh,
that's it.
that's a giant. Oh, this is a giant, guys. Oh no, I don't want to lose this guy. Look at the size of this. Oh my gosh. I told you, put on a jig. I want to go after a giant. Guys, look at the size of this. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, I don't even believe this.
It's gotta be 10 pounds.
No, I think it's, guys, look at this. Look at the size of this thing. Oh, look at the belly on this. Oh my gosh. This is amazing. What a great night. Full moon, Lake Fork. We've been hammering them. It was really slow all day, and then all of a sudden, it's just, oh my gosh. God. What is going on, guys? I just want to show you which bait I was using when I caught the 8-pounder and the 8. So I had to order more, actually ran out, and I haven't told these people yet, but they're from Pepper Custom Baits. I'm gonna show you right here. They sent me this little note. They don't even that I caught these big fish yet, but they sent me two new skirts to try. And this is what I'm catching them on. I tell everyone it's a blue jig, but it's actually what's called a punch bait. And I like these better because they go through the weeds and everything easier. So it's a tungsten weight in the front with just a skirt. It's a line through, and then you put in a 4/0, 5/0 hook, and then you put in a, I've been using creature baits, black and blue, a rage bug, black and blue rage bug, and that's what I caught these on. But these punch baits, I swear by these. These are some of the best. They work just like jigs, better than jigs. They go through the heavy cover out here on Lake Fork faster and better. And they sent me some new colors to try, so I'm going to try out some of these new colors, see how they work out. So check them out, Pepper Custom Baits. Hopefully we'll get them on Tackle Co-op because I think they're amazing. I swear by these. I use these almost exclusively when I'm jig fishing. So check them out, Pepper Custom Baits, and check them out on hopefully here on Tackle Co-op soon. And we'll be showing you more of what we're catching.